The world premiere of the LFZ Electrified, a BEV concept car that suggests new values to be realized through electrification. Lexus to accelerate the development of vehicles that meet the diversifying needs and lifestyles of customers around the world. The LFZ Electrified, as a study model that suggests the direction of the evolution of Lexus styling. Specifically, the overall form, which starts low in the front and peaks toward the rear, as suggestive of a BEV. Large diameter wheels that transmit the power of the high-power electric motors to the road surface are situated as much as possible at the vehicle's four corners for a wide stance with a low center of gravity. The accentuation of the doors fluently transitions from the front wheels to the rear wheels, which are surrounded by shiny, projecting, flare-shaped molding. In the rear, a clean and simple horizontal design combines with the molding that emphasizes the projecting wheels to express a powerful stance in support of a torque-strong driving force. Also, horizontally displaying Lexus in the continuous slender rear combination lamp contributes to styling that, along with the front of the vehicle, symbolizes the next generation of Lexus. The LFZ Electrified evolves the Lexus driving signature, a unique Lexus driving experience that aims for a linear response that is faithful to the driver's intentions, including the feeling of seamlessly connecting deceleration, steering and acceleration in all driving situations. The LFZ Electrified concept produced 536 horsepower, 400 kilowatts, 544 PS, and 400 Newton meters, 516 pound-feet of torque, allowing a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, acceleration in 3 seconds, a top speed of 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour. The 90 kWh battery offered a 600 km, 373 miles range. It also came with a steer-by-wire system and the new direct 4-wheel drive system with advanced torque vectoring functions. To embody to an even higher degree Lexus's human-centered approach, the cockpit was designed based on the new concept of Tizuna. Tizuna is Japanese for rain. Steering wheel-mounted switches and the vehicle's head-up display have been highly coordinated to create a space in which various functions, such as the navigation system, audio system, and driving mode selection, can be performed while concentrating on driving and without movement of the driver's line of sight or need to operate complicated switches. While the cockpit is a key focal point, the low positioning of the instrument panel relative to the vehicle occupants. The entire interior has been made a clean and high-quality space by a form that seamlessly connects the cowl to the front doors and on to the rear doors. Also, a panoramic roof uses long plates of glass that bring about a feeling of openness, emphasizing the minimalist environment. While the augmented reality head-up display, gauges, touch display, and other information provision functions are grouped into a single module, driving system functions are concentrated around the steering wheel. This suggests the direction of next-generation Lexus interior styling, with expanded forward visibility and the driver being naturally invited to look forward. The production version is expected to closely match the specifications of the concept, with exterior and interior styling adjusted for production. The acceleration figure might be slightly toned down, closer to the 4-second mark, but straight-line performance will still be on par with the quickest SUVs in the market.